Hey guys, it's Frances, and today's manicure is a celebration. Our traveling nail box sister Ginger has graduated from nail school, so Guylene and Jenny and I came together and made some manicures for her, and here is a look at my manicure. We decided to go with pink and sparkly and glittery because that's what Ginger likes. So I'm starting out with 2 coats of this color. It's Trust Fund Beauty, and I got it in ipsy box, and it's called I'm Kind of a Big Deal, which is really appropriate for this video because our Ginger is kind of a big deal. And I'm using yellow stopper to get the glitter to stick to my nails, and I got this glitter I think at AC Moore, which is just a craft store local to me. And this metal cuticle pusher I'm going to use, it's kind of a scoop. So I'm going to use that to scoop the glitter and put it on my nails. And the reason I'm using the yellow stopper is the yellow stopper kind of leaves a sticky surface for you to work with. So I'm letting it dry just until it's sticky. And then I'm just going to pile this on top. And right now it looks like a hot mess, but it works out in the end. And then I'm going to come in with just one of these eyeshadow sponges. And I'm gonna try and burnish that glitter in as much as possible. I like to do this. I don't like texture on my nails at all. So this makes it flat. It makes the glitters pop a little bit more, and you don't have to worry about that textured feeling on your nails, which, like I said, I really don't like. So I'm gonna do this for both of those nails, and I just went with the glitter on my middle nail and my ring nail. And I sped this one up for you, just so that it would be a little bit faster. And then sometimes I'll use my finger to push down the glitters as well, and put in a little extra where it might be kind of sparse. I'm getting a little bit better with glitter, I think. It's not as messy for me as it has been in the past. So there's hope for me, ladies and gentlemen, there's hope for me. And then I'm going to come in with a fast dry top coat and just go over those nails to remove any little bit of texture that might be there, and to seal in the glitter so that I'm not walking around leaving glitter everywhere, because that's one of the problems with glitters. You're finding it for days and weeks and everything later, and that's what the glitter looks like. It's kind of subtle in the video, it's definitely brighter in person. And then I'm going to use these gemstones, Rhinestones. I will link where I got them below. I think I got them on Amazon. And I'm going to be using 2 different types of pink, and I opened it and those 2 just, they volunteered. So then I'm going to be doing 2 of the light pink on each nail and 2 of a darker pink on each nail. And I'm going to come in with a little bit of a top coat and just use my orange wood stick that I've dipped into candle wax and pick up that darker one and put it in the middle, and then I'm going to put a lighter one on either side of that. Pretty simple, actually. The hardest part is picking up those little rhinestones and getting them placed on there. And then I'm going to come in with the fast dry top coat, and I'm going to go in around those rhinestones. If you want rhinestones to stay a little bit longer, you might want to use a nail glue instead of a fast dry top coat, but I knew I wasn't going to keep this manicure on for that long, so I opted just for a fast dry top coat. And then I'm going to go ahead and do that on my pinky nail as well, if it ever wants to pick up. And I think I sped up this process a little bit for you guys, so you're not sitting here watching me do that for too long. But Ginger, I just want to take a moment to say we are so proud of you. I know it could not have been easy going back to work, being a mom and being a wife. That's a lot of things on your plate. So this is a big deal, and we're so proud of you and so happy for you. And I wish you all the most wonderful things in the world. And here is the final look. I really do love how it turned out, and it's kind of odd for me not to have stamping. I can't wait to watch Guylene and Jenny's videos, and make sure that you check them out too. I will link them below as I always do. And I want to say thank you guys for watching. Thank you for spending your time with me, and I will see you again next time.